Hey guys, I am back with a super easy and fun DIY project. This woodland themed animal mobile is perfect for any kid's nursery or bedroom decor. The star of the show are these animal figurines by Safari Ltd, and I am partnering with them to bring you this quick project. Safari Ltd pays a lot of attention to all the details and use extensive research to design the figurines. They're giving a special 15% discount to all my viewers. The coupon code is in the description below. Now let's get started. I will be cutting 3 cubes out of 2x2, so I measured and marked the centers accordingly and made holes using a 5/16 inch drill bit. Then I took these 2x2s over to the miter saw and cut up the cubes. I also cut out a 12-inch piece of a 2x2 to make the top of the mobile. Now for the dowel. I used a 5/16 inch dowel and cut out 3 pieces of 7.5 inch length each. I sanded all the corners and edges of the dowels and the blocks using 220 grit sandpaper. You want to make sure that they are all nice and smooth and round. The dowels should go through the holes in the cubes easily, but be snug at the same time. You can use glue if you like, but my dowels fit very tightly and I didn't need any glue. At this point, I went ahead and stained the dowels and the 2x2s using walnut gel stain. While the stain was drying, I prepared the rest of my mobile. The first step is to make a hole in the animal figurine to hang it up. You want to make the hole towards the head of the animal figurine so that the weight is well balanced. I made a small pilot hole and added some screw eyes. I tied a monofilament wire to that screw eye and then cut off about 2 feet of that wire. Then I made a small knot about 3 to 4 inches up and used a needle to thread the monofilament through a pom-pom. The knot keeps the pom-pom from sliding down. I repeated this process a couple of times and completed one string of the mobile. I went ahead and wrapped that string around one of the dowels and tied it up. That's it. I repeated it 5 more times to get a total of 6 strings of pom-poms and animals. At the top of each of the cubes, I drilled a pilot hole and added another screw eye. Then on the 1 foot 2x2, I measured and drilled pilot holes and attached screw eyes on the 2 opposite sides. One side has 2 screw eyes and the other side has 3. On the side with the 2 screw eyes, I tied the monofilament and created a hanger. On the other side, I used the monofilament and threaded them through the screw eyes to hang the little cubes up. That's it! It's time to hang it up. The animals move around in a gentle breeze, and I think it makes a really cute addition to any animal themed room. I have the full list of supplies in the description below so you can build your own mobile. And don't forget to grab that coupon code for 15% off from Safari Ltd. Before you go, I would love for you to also check out this project, which uses 2x2 cubes with holes in them as well. Or you might also like this project. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos.